AI is getting crazy right now. There are Instagram pages making serious money, and the influencer behind those pages isn't even real. No photo shoots, no travel, no personal branding struggles, just AI-generated influencers doing paid collaborations, brand deals, and sponsored posts. And the wild part? Most of the people still think this is complicated, but it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create your own AI influencer and start building a monetizable profile using Influencer Studio. From designing the character to generating content, I'll break down the entire process. Let's get started. So you will get the link to Influencer Studio in the video description, or you can simply search influencerstudio.com in any browser to reach this website. Once you sign in, you'll land on this dashboard, and as you can see, the interface is clean and very well organized. On the left-hand side, you get multiple powerful modes like influencer mode, cinema mode, mass post, ads, advanced, chat, studio editor, and storyboard. We'll explore these one by one, but first, we need to create our influencer. So let's start by creating a new workspace. I'll click on New Workspace and name it Maria. Once the workspace is created, all the generation modes become available inside this dedicated environment. Now let's click on Influencer mode. Here, we'll create a new AI influencer. When you click on Create New, you get two options. If you already have real photos, you can upload 10 to 20 high-quality images to train your influencer model. But since we're building everything from scratch, I'll choose Generate Photos with AI. Next, we need to name our influencer. Let's name her Maria. Now you'll see multiple avatar references. These are just starting points. The system will personalize everything based on our selections. I'll pick this avatar as the base. Now comes customization. First, we select gender. I'm choosing female, then ethnicity. Let's go with Native American. For body type, you get options like slim, fitness model, curvy, supermodel. Since we're creating a fashion style influencer, I'll select supermodel. Now we customize the details. Let's set her age to 25. For hairstyle, I'll choose curly hair. For eye color, I'm going with green. And for hair color, black, because black always looks powerful and elegant. Once everything is set, I'll click Next. Now the platform generates multiple face variations based on our inputs. From here, we simply select the face that best matches our vision. You can even upload your own reference if you want. I'll choose this one and move forward. And now, the system is training our unique AI influencer. Behind the scenes, it's building a personalized model based on all the traits we selected. Once this process is complete, Maria will be ready, fully trained, and ready to create content. And this is how easily you can build your own AI influencer from scratch. So as you can see, our influencer has finally been created. Now I'll open the profile, and right away, you'll notice multiple options. We can generate images, create videos, and even produce audio content. And here's something important. You get access to Kling 3.0 directly inside Influencer Studio. That means you can use full video director mode without leaving the platform. But for now, let's start with images. The first step is to describe the type of photo you want. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. I've already added mine. Next, choose the camera style. You can select smartphone for a natural social media look, or pro camera for studio level quality. Since we're building an Instagram page, I'll go with smartphone. I'll generate 4 images and keep the aspect ratio vertical, 9:16. You can also add references, set locations, or integrate products for brand collaborations. But for now, I'm testing the basic output. Let's click Generate Images, and now the generation begins. All right. The images are ready, they look impressive, the lighting feels natural, the clarity is sharp, and the overall composition looks like a real Instagram post. Now when you open an image, you unlock additional tools. You can transform it into a video, upscale the resolution, or use realism upscale to enhance skin texture and details. You can also edit using prompts and adjust face or body accuracy for better consistency. Let me show you one powerful feature, change angle. When I click on it, I get full 3D camera control. I can rotate the camera, tilt it, zoom in or out, just like repositioning a real camera around a real model. There are also slider controls and quick presets like front, right, back, or 3/4 angles. Let's adjust the angle slightly and click Generate New Angle. And now, the AI regenerates the image from that new perspective. As you can see, the angle has changed while maintaining realism and character consistency. And this level of control is what turns simple AI images into a serious, monetizable influencer brand. Now let's convert our influencer into a video. I'll select this image and download it first because we'll use it as our starting frame. Next, I'll switch to the video section. Here, the first thing you need to do is paste your video prompt. Describe what you want the influencer to do in the video. The clearer your instructions, the more natural the output will look. I've already added my prompt here. Now I'll set the aspect ratio to vertical, 9:16, since we're creating content for Instagram or TikTok. Then, I'll upload the image we just downloaded as the first frame. This helps maintain consistency in face, pose, and overall identity. If you're doing a brand collaboration, you can also import a product here for placement inside the video. You even have the option to add an audio track. You can use an existing one or generate a new one. I'll select Generate New and paste my script. This allows the influencer to speak in the video. Now we need to select the AI model. We're using Kling 3.0, which supports up to 15 seconds of video generation. But for this example, I'll keep it concise and choose 8 seconds. Once everything is set, simply click Generate. And now the generation begins. As you can see, it's processing. Let's wait for the final result. Alright, so as you can see, our video has been generated.
Friends, believe me, this tastes delicious, and Tom has created this for me using AI.
You'll notice several powerful options. You can use lip sync to perfectly sync audio with the video. You can use edit video to modify the scene using AI. You can even extend the video if you want to continue the same sequence. There's also an option to upscale the video for better quality and resolution. And one very useful feature, extract last frame. This allows you to take the final frame of this video and use it as the starting frame for the next one, helping you create smooth, continuous content. So as you can see, this is not just basic image or video generation. You're getting serious control tools that help you build a consistent and professional AI influencer brand. And this was just a short introduction to Influencer Studio. It offers many more advanced features that are specifically built for AI influencers and content creators. If you're serious about building an AI influencer page and monetizing it, I highly recommend exploring it yourself. You'll find the link in the description. Go experiment, because creativity only unlocks when you actually start building.